Hey guys, I'm freehanding this one on high winds. I got this crazy bill hits the mother load. Put about 20 bucks in it. And so far it's doing pretty good, so I thought I'd do a little filming. Been hitting some pretty decent hits on it. Let's see if it lets me down or not, but I'm recording now. $2.50 max bet, red screen. Hopefully recording this isn't bad luck, but you never know. Hit some pretty good hits on it. These don't always like to hit on the 10 bet, and it's doing pretty well today, actually. See if they'll give us some more red screens here or not. There's a red screen. Not a bad hit for a quarter machine. Come on, red screens. We're in High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. I may have got all the money out of this one it's willing to give. We'll know here in just a minute. Alright, that's it. We're going to take our $100 out of $20 in. And if I find any more good ones, I'll make sure I film it. See you guys.